guys, today we are going to be drawing two of my friends' requests, and I'll be giving shout outs at the end of the video. So first we are going to be drawing a cute little kitty. And you're going to want to, let's do its nose pink. Oops. I'm going to go with black. Okay. Then you're going to want to. Okay. Then we're going to start off with the head parts. I'm going to line down. That. Line down. That. And then you're going to add like this. Gonna want to add some that. Same with the other ear. Triangle shape. And you're done. You guys can make this cat any color you guys want. I'll still be doing quests on some videos. So gonna have like this. Sorry for the mess up. That. You guys can pause the video if it's too fast. I'm sorry for it's my first time drawing on my Wacom with animals. I've been drawing on it, but not animals, so sorry if it's not the best key. Like that. J backwards. Add some whiskers. I don't want to color in the eyes. And I'm going to make mine a girl. I'm going to add... I'm going to make this an orange tabby cat because why not? You guys can do whatever you want. It's your kitty. I'm going to have little spots black. Sorry, you guys can any color. I will be doing, I'm making a rainbow kitty because I like cats. Rainbow ones. The yellow background. Add some, like, if you guys want to, add a shadow. Like that. Don't forget to sign your name at the bottom. And the shout out I'm giving out to is Regan. Go subscribe to her. Regan. She is in the comments down below on one of my videos. Click on her name, profile picture, and please go subscribe to her.